The Rimac Nevera stands as a groundbreaking achievement in automotive technology, showcasing an exterior that seamlessly blends aerodynamic precision with stunning aesthetics. Dramatic shots reveal its aggressive lines, striking headlights, and iconic butterfly doors that exude luxury. With a staggering 1,914 horsepower and a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 1.85 seconds, it redefines the limits of speed. This electric marvel boasts a production number of only 150 units, making it an ultra-exclusive gem. Interestingly, its development caught the eye of numerous Formula One engineers, bringing racetrack-level innovations to the street. As it glides through luxurious landscapes, the Nevera epitomizes the future of driving power and sustainability.